Alright guys, now we have here a HP laptop. This is a HP Elite X2. Okay, so what we have here is a HP Elite X2 1012G1 family, and the issue is the keyboard sometimes gets detected, sometimes does not. So here is a demo. Let's power it on. Okay, and no keyboard. And if we press down maybe, nope. Here we go, light comes on, keyboard works. Come down, light off. Light on, light off. So where do you think the problem is? Could it be magnet related? Let's run a magnet around here. Oh. Okay, there is a sensor here which is magnet activated. Okay, oh, this magnet is too strong. Do that again. Okay, this is an interesting problem. So it may be something faulty here. Maybe connections are faulty. Let's try turning that back on. Press here, it turns on. Okay, press here. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, here we go. Keyboard works. Mouse does not work. Okay, so let's try first the cleaning technique. Okay, so I don't think BIOS updates or anything like that will fix it. So first we clean the contacts, gold contacts. Okay, that's clean. Same thing here. Okay, now let's just wipe all these areas so no big dust stopping it from. Hi, how are you? Okay, these contacts are clean. A lot of dust here. Let's just give them a quick wipe. Yep, a lot of crap here. Let's see what happens. Power on. Nope. So there is a physical problem. when you tap certain area, we do this, it will definitely work. And you can see the backlight on, keyboard works. But the mouse is still not working. This is to enable or disable the mouse. So it's not a matter of connection problem, it's how somehow it is bending. Stopped working. This is not like something you can open up and repair. It must be a ribbon cable, which I think is damaged internally. So we're not going to be able to repair this one. Won't waste too much time on this. We'll ask them if they want us to order a replacement. But as you can see, if you hold in a certain angle, hold it in a certain position, it will work. And it's typing. I'm gonna leave it at that for this model.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.